Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. So this video is all about only and only Nifty. On Friday, I have carried forward a P call for Nifty, and I'm still holding it. So this is the explanation of why I'm still holding on to Nifty, even if from since morning it is going up. Almost what it gave us run of 150, points as of now, but still I am going because there is a big picture behind that. I'll just explain you and I'll walk through you what exactly the levels which I'm looking for right now. So this resistance zone is a very major one for Nifty bears for the sell side for the Nifty, and it is in between 25 590 to 25 650, almost 60 points, almost 60 55, yeah, almost a 60 points range here. From here, if the price is going up and taking it as a support, then only I am closing my PE call here. Then only I am just exiting out of the bills and bears, and I will be going for any call option. And my target will be first of the gap filling of this price, and that's because there's an imbalance in this. So it will be almost at 25 750 to 755, and the higher side targets will be 25 900. So this is not the case here. Is the second part of the plan. It's second part of the plan here. The first major thing which I am right now currently holding is Nifty PE. The reason I've told you the rejection here, and I'm seeing the downside targets of almost 25 430 again in the current scenario. Below that 25 430, the target is around 25 350 to 25 285. So again, then this zone again will be considered as a volatile range because there will be buyers and sellers both in this range here. When the price is breaching 25 285, it will be going for the 25 170 to 200. That's my ultimate target here because it's the green line, the trend line which you're seeing right now is a weekly parallel channel which is going on. And if you have been following my videos, you have drew that line almost like 2 3 weeks before. So this line is still valid, and my target for that as per this is 25 170, but still I'll be taking 30 40 points of margin here, so 25 200. And if in a price action scenario, if you're talking, then this gap here, so the high of this candle of second Feb 2026, and that high is around 2508. So that's another one. It might just kiss this line and come up back again in this zone. And if it is breaching this gap also, if it is filling it very quickly, if there's a volume in the market at that time, then the prices will be going down deep down till 25 800 to 25 24 800 to 24 900. So if if you can see on the chart, the risk to reward ratio for my Nifty trade is very beautiful. If you're entering here, or I'll if anyone new one is entering here, for them this price is beautiful price because the risk to reward ratio at this level is what, let us take it to till this point only. It is 1:3 ratio, and if I take it for the ultimate the last target T, that is 1:5 ratio, and nothing can beat this ratio. For me right now, the risk to reward is almost, took my trade almost at this price on Friday, and my risk to reward for my trade setup is, for this it is 1:1, and then for the last ultimate target is 1:2. Again, it's a very beautiful setup. Anything less than 1:1 is very bad. I will never ever suggest anyone to take it a trade which is having a risk to reward ratio of less than 1:1. 1:2, very good. And right now I showed you it's 1:5. If I'm taking a trade back again here, if my second entry, or if I'm even adding the position here also, but my strike price will change for that. That has to be considered at this point of time. So I've explained the reason why I'm still holding for P's, and I am pretty much sure about the prices will be coming down because there is still one imbalance which has to be filled in, because this imbalance has been filled. And there is one right now, it's still not, this is an unfinished business here. So mostly the prices will be going down. Again, the confirmation with the strong resistance here. So that is the entire analysis of Nifty for coming this week. These levels will be valid for this entire week here. So that is all, and make good profits. If you have any doubts, you can drop in the comment section. Thanks.